Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I designed this flyer using Canva app. If you don't have Canva on your phone, kindly head on to Google Play Store and download it. So put on your data, open your Canva, click on this plus button. So when you click on the plus button down here, you're going to add a design. So I'm going to add Instagram post square 1080 by 1080. That's the size of the design that you are going to do. So once you added it, click on this foreground background image, then choose color. So I'm going to select this particular color, which is like my brand color. So but if in case you don't know it, go to the color wheel. You can input this color code, whether you are using pro or anyone, you can use it. So go to plus button. So I'm going to add a picture from my gallery. I've already made a previous design, so we are going to be using it to do the design step by step. Now I've added these designs. You can see that the background color are the same. So I'm going to be showing you how I did it. So click on the plus button and click on test. So but if you want to add anything, you can hover, whether you want to add a new design template, a text or gallery image. So I'm going to add a text. So I'll just type all the text that are here. I'll type one, then I will duplicate it. Click on this button to duplicate, this plus button here, this one that I highlighted. Duplicate as many times as possible instead of always going back to add to the plus button to add. So just click on that one to always duplicate and type whatever you want to type. So I'm just going to go ahead and type all these things. Now whether using Canva Pro or Canva free account, you can actually achieve this design. Although some of the features I use are pro features. Since I'm using pro now, I need to utilize it. So but you can get it using free account. So I'm going to change the font of this stuff here, these sentences. The first one is Benedict, Benedict, not it. So when you type Benedict, you are going to see this font. Although it's a pro font, but when you go to Color Fonts, you can get fonts that are just like this particular one to use if you are not using a pro account. So that is that for that. Then these other ones, the fonts are not like the other tests have the same font, but this welcome to has a different font, which is Benedict, is a pro font. Then Node that I use for these ones, it's a free font. So whether you are using free account or pro account, you can use it. So I'm going to go ahead and align this text, change the color for this one to red. I'll also show you the color code. Whether using free account or pro account, you can use this color code. So just enter this, click on this edit button and enter this particular color code and then go back. It will change on your design. You will get exactly this shade of red that I used in this particular design. So don't forget, before you use Canva, you have to put on your data, register with your email address for you to enjoy so many things. That's like doing graphics, the video and or using your phone. I'm also going to just align the whole text, all of them one by one, so that I can get what I want to get. So I did this design 1st November to just thank my supporters and all. So I'm aligning the text. That's what I want. I want all of them to be right aligned. When we are writing, is it right? No, left align. Sorry, left align. I want all of them to left align. So when you go to click on the text, go to format, then click on left align. Then just click on text, go to this B, that's the format. Then you can bold it here too. You can do italics. You can change other things here. depending on what you want to do. So but for me, all I just plan to do for this particular test is just left align it, then I'll change the font size so that it will be that particular size that I want it to be. I'll make this one bold, and that is all. So I'll go ahead and change the color of this to red. Then I'll click on plus button, go to element, and I'll search for YouTube logo or YouTube icon. Whatever you type, this YouTube logo icon is the same thing. So when you go through it, you have all. It will show you both pictures, videos, and graphics. So I'm just going to go over them and allow them to load. Network is not really working on my side. So I'm going to go to graphics and pick one. Now there are free and pro ones you can use. So I chose this one because I think I like it. Then I'm just going to reduce the size and align it and also my text so that they can be together, and yeah, they can be together. So I'm also going back to plus button and elements. Then I'm going to type November. So when I type November, I know you must have seen the poly November that was written. It's actually a graphics. I was not the one that did it by myself. So I'm going to choose it. You'll see when I get it here. It's not this one. I just saw this one now and I liked it. But look at the one I used in my design. I've deleted the other one. This is the one I use in the design, but I changed the color. I have two graphics in this place, like the 2 November graphics here. One is actually at the top that this one, you can see it here, but I reduced the transparency to 8. So the transparency, I reduced it to 8, so it's not so visible, but you can see it here. Then this one, I'm going to reduce the font size to 57.5 for the Benedict text, that's welcome, and this one to 30 something. I'm going to also reduce the font size to 33, maybe 30.3. Okay, that's 5.3. That's what I'll do. Then for this, we pray that you have a beautiful November. I'm going to put it to 30.3. Then also my YouTube handle, I'm also going to reduce it, put it to 30.3 also. So you can just click on the text, click on font size down below and choose a particular font size that you want your text to be, and that is all. Then as I change the font sizes, some of the text shifted, but I'll do that later. For these other graphics, you can actually change the color. So I change it to black and red. See, black and red, that's it. So then I reduced it. Can reduce it so that it will, be in alignment with the text, that it will not just fall out of alignment. So Canva is a very interesting app you can use to do so many things. I don't know if you have any design on your phone that you want me to show you how it was achieved, even if it may not be 100% how it was achieved, but we can actually try it out and using your phone to do the design. If you have something like that, you can go to my Instagram and send me a DM, or no, don't go to Instagram, just send me an email at heymysmartphone@gmail.com. If you go to my description, you also see the email address. Also, as you are watching the video, you see it on your screen. So just send me the image on my email address, and I would honor your request if it's something that is achievable with Canva. If it's something that is not achievable with Canva, I'll also tell you that this is not achievable with Canva, and I will show you the extent you can go to replicate that particular design on your phone. So apart from that, I'd like for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and support my work. Also invite your friends to like this video and comment on this video. Did you learn any new thing? Have you been using Canva before? Do you do graphics design with your phone? Are you a Canva Pro user or a Canva free user? I would like to know all these things in your comments. I started using Canva since 2020 as a free user, but there are unlimited possibilities that and time that pro accounts can save you. So I decided to switch up to pro accounts. It's also a way of supporting Canva. When you're doing something great, you should be supported. So this is my little way of supporting Canva, although the support is small, but at least it's something. And I'm also gaining from it. Like, I can remove background, I can do so many things. Even from videos, I can do many things. Magic create, magic write. If I'm lazy to write, I can just get those ideas from Canva and continue, doing what I'm doing. So if you are in Nigeria, you can get it for 2008 every month. That's for Canva Pro. So can give it a try if you need it for your brand or if you need it for your social media. You don't have to be stressing your head every time to create something. You can learn from Canva. You can also go to their website and learn for free, or even on their YouTube channel too. They have a YouTube channel. You can learn so many things for free concerning this Canva app. So once I'm done, I'll just check every checkable. Am I okay with it? If I'm okay with all that I've got in this design here, I'll just hit the download button, and which is up here, and my design will be downloaded. So this is just it, how I achieved it. I didn't have this design in mind. I just woke up and I'm like, why not? If not, let's do this. And before you know it, it was achieved. So that's just the end of this video. Did you learn anything new? Like I asked before, hit the subscribe button, support my work, share this, and I'll see you in my next video, which happens every Monday and Thursday. Every Monday and Thursday, there is no specific time, but just know that every Monday and Thursday, I'll make a new video for you. So this is the design. How do you see it? Have a beautiful day.